know that most automatic transmission failures are due to infrequent or incomplete transmission services? This leads to depleted fluid and deposits due to overheating. Stop-and-go driving, extreme temperatures, and severe driving conditions also contribute to transmission fluid breakdown. As automatic transmission fluid, or ATF, degrades, it loses its protective qualities and allows harmful deposits to form. This type of fluid breakdown can accelerate wear on internal components and lead to poor shifting, slippage, and reduced vehicle performance. Unfortunately, traditional service methods rely on a simple drain and refill process. That leaves a large percentage of old, depleted fluid in the system after the service, contaminating the new fluid being added to the transmission. Transmission problems include poor or hard shifting, slipping or chattering of gears while accelerating, appearance of reddish fluid in your driveway or under the vehicle while parked. An experienced technician will circulate ATF cleaner through the system to dissolve and suspend deposits in the transmission, cooler, and torque converter for easy removal. The old fluid and deposits are then extracted from the entire transmission system. Simultaneously, new ATF supplement is installed to fortify the new fluid against premature breakdown and oxidation, as well as condition the seals for optimal shifting performance. Some of the benefits are smoother shifting, less chatter, and more complete removal of deposits and old fluid. Ask your service provider if your vehicle would benefit from a transmission fluid exchange service today.